Hello beautiful! So for today, I'll be talking about my travel makeup bag. So, I know kaka-upload ko lang nung travel makeup bag ko na nasa Cebu ako. But for today's video, it's going to be a Bicol edition makeup bag. And halos lahat dito is hindi ko dala nung sa Cebu. Dahil challenge ko yung sarili ko na iba ang makeup na dadaling ko, yung hindi ko usually ginagamit. So yeah, with that being said, let's start with the makeup bags. So I have two makeup bags na dinala ko. So first one is this sleek black bag. And ito yung staple sa aking handbag. So let's just jump right in kung ano yung nasa loob. Ito lang yung pang retouch ko and whatsoever. So, the first thing in here is, of course, my powder. This is from Maybelline, and if you watch my previous videos, hindi ito yung white super fresh. Ang laman nito is yung Clear Smooth All-in-One Cake Foundation, and I'm the shade of Sun Beige. Yeah, the darkest one. Sun Beige pa yun, or honey. But that one, ito yung powder for touch-up. And then, para gamitin ko yun, para i-apply yun sa aking face, ginagamit ko is my EOS Retractable Kabuki brush that looks like this. Ayan. Next thing in here is my concealer, and it is the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC30. Ito yung to touch up lang yung under eye area ko pag natanggal siya out the day, or kapag lumabas na yung aking spots on my face. Yun, nagta-touch up lang ako. And ang pag-apply ko dyan is my Deluxe Crease Brush. Uy, nasabi ko siya ng tama for the first time. Anyway, ito yung ginagamit ko to apply my concealer, and this is from Real Techniques. And then for the lips naman, I have my EOS Lip Balm. I think this is hindi siya shade eh. Ano bang tawag? Basta yun. Strawberry Sorbet. Ayan, just to maging smooth ang aking lips, maging moisturized siya. Kasi syempre, sa tagal ng biyahe from Manila to Bicol, mga 12 hours or more. So, yung aircon, nakaka-dry siya ng lips. So, kailangan pinamoisturize ang lips. And then, the last thing in here is a lipstick. This one, ito yung aking MLBB from Jasmine Labelle. Ayan. Moving on to this makeup bag. So, ito rin yung makeup bag na dinala ko sa Cebu. But, sinabi ko kanina, iba na yung mga laman niya. But, then again, may ibang pieces pa rin na nandito. So, punahin ko na ang brushes. So, sinabi ko sa sarili ko, lahat ng brushes na daling ko is from Real Techniques. So, ito siya. This is the blush brush, the sculpting brush, the detailer brush, and this one is the brow brush, their fan brush, this one is the base shadow brush, and then the buffing brush. So, ayan yung makeup brushes na dinala ko. And then, another thing, this one, yung malaking yan, it is a magnetic palette from Wild Peach Cosmetics. Ayan. So, dinala ko na dito yung mga makeup na kailangan ko. And gusto ko siya dahil may malaking mirror sa ibabaw. And right here, nandito na halos lahat ng kailangan ko. So, this one is the blush. I think this is Mellow Wine from the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blusher. And then, these three are single eyeshadows from Sansan. So, this one is the Cotton Candy Pink I used for highlighting. This one is the Warm Copper Fire for contouring my face. And then, this one, hindi ko maalala yung pangalan niya. Parang charcoal something. I'll just put the name right here kung ano siya. And then, minsan ginagamit ko para smudge ko sa upper lash line or lower lash line or whatever. So, napaka-compact na niya. Nandyan na halos lahat. So, ito na yung dinala ko. So, I almost forgot about this one. Tapos na ako mag-film nung naalala ko hindi ko ba ito nasabi. So, this is a powder from K Palette, and this is their Zero Pekka Matte Powder. And of course, I use it to set my whole face para maging matte. But then again, sa buong tip, hindi ko siya nagamit. And then, mag-umpisa na tayo from primer down to lipstick. So, for primer, ang dala ko is this Benefit Professional. Ito hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit kasi nung ginamit ko siya dati, hindi ko siya gusto kasi minsan namumuo siya sa aking skin kapag hindi ko pinlend ng maayos. So, ayun. Well, tinry ko. And then, for foundations, nagdala ko ng dalawa. This one is foundation and BB cream. So, for foundation, this is a Cogento Moisture Foundation. And this is in the shade of 023. And then, for BB cream, ang dinala ko is a Pond's 1. And this is shade of Page. So, itong dalawa yung dinala ko kasi alam kong mainit. Kailangan ko ng SPF sa aking face kasi hindi na ako nakapagdala ng sunblock. And, syempre, pag travel, lagi ka halos nasa sunlight. So, kailangan may SPF and hindi kailangan ng sobrang kapal na foundation. Okay lang yung medyo nagsisi-through pa yung blemishes sa inyong skin. So, okay lang na hindi high coverage yung dala. And then, concealer kanina, nandun na sa isa kong bag. So, moving on to powder. Meron pa akong powder dito. Ayan lang siya. This is the RCMA Translucent Powder. Nilagay ko sa lalagyanan na to. And then, I have 3 products for the eyebrow. So, the first one, ginagamit ko sa tail is this from Nichido. Hindi ko alam kung ano siya. Napulot ko lang dito sa makeup table. Ito ata is in the shade of dark brown. Just a retractable brow pencil. And then, to set that, ginamit ko tong MUA Pro Brow Ultimate Eyebrow Kit. And dinala ko siya kasi meron na siyang 3 eyeshadows or powder na pwede ko rin gamitin sa aking eyelid. And then, para matame yung aking eyebrows, ito pa rin ang aking dinadala, the Nichido Tinted Brow Gel na sobrang ubos na. Pinagtsatsagaan ko na lang siya dahil hindi pa ako nakakabili ng bago. And then, meron akong dalang isang eyeliner na black, and this is from Essence, their long-lasting eye pencil in Black Fever. Retractable din siya, so hindi ko na kailangan magdala ng pantasa. And then, for mascaras, dalawa yung dinala ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit dalawa yung dinala kong mascara. And this one is the Hypnose Drama Mascara from Lancome. And ito yung gamit ko ngayon. Okay naman siya, maganda yung volume. And hindi rin siya waterproof, which is nice. And then, the other mascara na dala ko, it is from Essence, and it is the I Like Long Lashes Volume and Length Mascara. Ito, naging lalagay ko na siya sa aking favorite, so you would know na gusto ko to. And, ayun, hindi siya masyadong volumizing, but length, sakto lang. It's not waterproof, but hindi siya nagsisponge sa aking eyelids or lashes. And then for lipsticks, ang dami kong dalang lipstick. Well, that's normal for me kasi parang yun na lang yung mag-change ng look ko, lipstick. So the first one, yung On the Way to Bicol, ito yung gamit kong lipstick. This is the ColourPop Ultra Matte HD liquid lipstick in the shade of Midi. Just an MLBB lang siya. And then I have this. Ito yung gamit ko ngayon na combination. This is the Ever Bilena Lip Pencil in the shade of Cappuccino. Ayan siya. There. And then, yung matching niya for me is this one. Since medyo nauso na ang metal lipstick because of Kylie. So, dala ko is the MAC Rum Raisin. Ito, ang tagal ko na to. And this is the first MAC lipstick na nagkaroon ako. So, ayan, metallic siya na MLBB. And then, last lipstick combination na dala ko is red naman na color. So, for the lip liner, I have the NYX lip liner in hot red. And super red niya talaga. There. And then, another NYX na product na gusto ko, this one is soft matte lip cream in the shade of Amsterdam. Ito lang yung red na ginagamit ko kasi hindi siya masyadong red. And ang ganda niya sa lips, ang bango pa niya. So that is everything inside my travel makeup bag. And if you enjoy this video, please do thumbs up. And kayo, anong ginagamit nyo or dinadala nyong makeup when you travel? Just comment down below so I would know. And then, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please do subscribe just to support every Filipino vloggers. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. And always remember, you are beautiful. Bye! And